In East Africa, Kenya is known as a land of wonder. From its vast grasslands to epic landforms, people in this country have always believed in miracles. This is a children's home in Narok County of Kenya. The kids' joy for football suddenly took a turn for the worse. No matter how hard they tried, no one was able to fix the problem.
Our TV is not working, and we are kindly calling you to come and fix for us, please.
The CEP Children's Home was founded in 1979. It provides shelter to orphaned and abandoned children. Now, 45 children are living here. While waiting for the repairman, the kids started playing football.
I can't explain how I feel playing football. I love football, and football is in my blood.
When he arrived, Sudala was too shy to talk with the other kids. He often chose to stay alone. One day, workers came to the children's home to install a TV, giving Sudala a pleasant surprise.
It was bought on the 6th January 2018, and the children were very excited, and also I was very happy. Yeah, I was very happy.
Michael, the repairman, arrived. He connected the wires that were blown down by a gust of wind and got the TV working again.
Children have also been able to acquire some skills. Some are now good dancers. They speak good English. They use the channels to learn, and also watching of football.
My favorite show is to dance, and I like dance this and this. For example, like this.
My favorite show is comedy, and I like in my future I like to be a comedian, to make people laughing. When I watch the TV, it encourages me to have a very big dream, vision, becoming a nice footballer in the world. So it has nurtured me. The TV has changed my life.
Due to his excellent soccer skills, Sudala became the captain of the orphanage's football team. In a football match organised by the Kenyan Ministry of Education, Sudala represented his school. For children here, the fluorescent screen is a window to the dreams and miracles of the outside world, inspiring them to seek their own.
I would like to become a nice footballer in the world.
Because children, they have what is in them. These are the talents. The challenge of the certain thing has been able to expose these children to know what is happening even beyond our country.
The CEP Children's Home's TV story is one of many about a China-launched project called Access to Satellite TV for 10,000 African villages. The project is part of a cooperation plan between China and Africa under the Belt and Road Initiative. Since 2017, China has been working with 23 African countries to carry forward the project, helping locals access the outside world and opening up new horizons for rural communities.